Hello, and welcome to Reeves Reels for Friday, July 12th. I'm Sherry Reeves. I want to take a moment this week to highlight the incredible effort of our custodial and our maintenance crews. While students and staff are enjoying a well-deserved break, our custodians are hard at work ensuring that our school buildings are not only clean, but prepared for the return of our staff and students this fall. From scrubbing and waxing the floors to sanitizing classrooms and refreshing paint to shampooing our carpets, our custodians work hard to give our buildings the fresh touches they need to welcome our students back. They undertake maintenance projects big and small, ensuring that every corner is safe, inviting, and conducive to learning. As we anticipate the beginning of the 24-25 school year, I extend my deepest gratitude to our custodial crew and our maintenance crews. Their hard work behind the scenes is essential to the smooth operation of our schools and the well-being of our students and our staff, and do not go unnoticed. Have a great weekend, Mesa Linwood.